Welcome learners for lecture second of a linear algebra, that is the MSc first year of a semester first. In a previous lecture we discussed about the some vector spaces and there are detailed information about how to defining the 8 step how to follow and considering this example. Okay, today lecture we discuss about the some of the example of the linear algebra that containing as a vector spaces. Okay, let us go to started about this example. Okay, first of example is a let a and b be the points having coordinate -2, 0, 1 and 4, 5, 3. 2 will be given as a coordinate point. First point is a consider as a -2, 0 and 1 and b consider as a 4, 5, 3 respectively. Respectively means a and b considering a point wise consideration. The end point c of a vector eliminating from the origin and having the same direction as the vector beginning at a and terminating at b has a coordinates will be given, that is a 4, 5, 3 minus 2, 0, 1. Okay, it will be given as a 6, 5, 2. Let us prove this example how to consider. Given to the equation is that of the form, that is the proof will be given that a and b the points having a coordinates -2, 0, 1 and b will be considering as a 4, 5, 3. Okay, after that the same direction as the vector beginning point a and eliminating or terminating at a point b has a coordinates 4, 5, 3 will be considered, means a first second b minus a. Okay, this will given as the coordinate points with the terminating, then 4, 5, 3 minus of -2, 0, 1 equals to consider as a form 4 minus of -2 will be considered as a, this will be plus, they getting as a 0.6. 5 minus 0 it considered as a 5 and a 3 minus 1 is considered as a 2. Okay, this point will be given as a form. Hence, the equation of the points of the lines through the point A and B will be considered as a form, that is the x equals to -2, 0 and 1, that is the A point, plus t of a second point will be given, that will be the 6, 5, 2. T is considered as a form in this equation. Now let us A, B and C denote any three non-collinear points in a space. These points determine a unique plane and its equation will be found by us given as a form of a vector spaces for getting as a 8 point will be formed. Okay, that this rule will be used in this equation and generated as a points will be given. Then this points is generated. Suppose that let us u and v denote the vectors beginning point at a and ending point b respectively. Means u will be given and v will be given. U is considered as a point a and v is considered as a point b. Then after that generating to the form, observe that any point in the plane containing a, b and c is the endpoint s of a vector x beginning at a and having the form su plus tv for the real number s and t. Real number will be using as the sum of the example will be given, s and t will be generated for the some real number and generated to the point. First is a u considering as a s plus t considering as a v. Okay, after that the end point su is the point of intersection of a line through A and B with the line through the capital S. Okay, first of all point will be given A points, B points and C points. X axis and Y axis will be given in this point. Sum of the diagonal will be generated, that is the X. This consider as a U and last point generated as a SU and this consider as a VTV, means this line is a u and this line consider as a b, and first will be generated as a su and second will be generated as a tu. Then after that sum of two given the points will be generated, means the end point of a su is the point of intersection between two this line. X axis generated to the form and y axis also generated to the form. Okay, these both of the axis generating to the point, that is the su and tv. Then after that, this will be generating of the form parallel to the line through the A and C. Okay, this C line is a parallel to the A line. See in the diagram or the figure, a similar procedure located at the point of a TV also getting as a B is parallel to the C. Then for any real number S and T will be given as a real number. Real number means we given as a sum of the points, that is a 1 2 3 4 5. This is called a real number. Okay, this will be formed as a consider the vector SU plus TV lies in the plane containing as a B, C, x-axis, y-axis and diagonal will be given. It follows that the equation of the plane containing A, B and C is generated as a equation, that is x equals to capital A plus SU plus TV. Okay, where and they will be considered as a arbitrary real number and x denote the arbitrary points in the plane. Okay, x will be denoted as a arbitrary points in the plane, and origin will be generated in this form, and this will be given as a real number and denoted as a arbitrary points in the plane. This is the example of the first example. Show that the point C will be considered in the form to generating as a S and T is a real number, and A will be generated as -3, -2 and 4 and 1 8 -5 respectively. The endpoint of the vector eliminating from the origin and having the same length and direction also. Okay, this is the example to how consider as a form. Then after that, what is the proof of this example? Given to the form, that is a B C, 3 points in a given in the example, be the having coordinate, that is the A points have the coordinate 1 0 2, B points have the coordinate -3 -2 4 and C points has the coordinate 1 8 -5. Okay, the end point of the vector eliminating from the origin and having the same length and direction. Hence the vector beginning at the point A and terminating at the point B. Okay, what is the formula of this form? For the terminating, B points minus A points to giving as a form, that is the length and a vector beginning of the length and direction also. Okay, then go to the form at the condition, that is the B points is a -3 -2 4 minus of 1 0 2. Okay, -3 of -1 is a -4, -2 of a -0 is a -2, 4 and -2 is containing as a only 2. Okay, this will be the form to terminating point. Similarly, the endpoint of the vector eliminating from the origin and having the length, that is the direction, as a vector beginning to the point A and terminating at the point C. Same will be given as a form, that is a C points is generated, that is a this is the plane will be generating as a 3 given points and direction of the endpoints for terminating of the equation, and same length as well as direction will be shown in this example. Okay, this is the formula or method to solving as a beginning of the point as well as terminating of the point. For the terminating points minus beginning of the points equals to contain as a same direction and origin of the eliminating form. Okay, this is the given as a 3 example which generated with the points, that is a coordinate point A B C and generating